Okay, children, so we started with the decimal. Now today we will go through a new topic, that is multiplication of decimal numbers. That is, how do we multiply two decimal numbers. So let's start with an example. Let's take an easy example, that is, suppose 2.7 into 4. Is there a decimal place? Yes, there is a decimal place. So first and foremost, we will multiply the numbers as it is, that is 27 into 4. Now we will read the table of 4 7 times and then table of 4 2 times, that is 7 4s are 28 and 4 2s are 8, which is 9 10. Now what is your answer? Here. Now we see the decimal places. How many decimal places are here? Just one decimal place. Yes, just one. So the product will also have just one decimal place here. So this is your answer. Answer is 10.8. Now this is the try these, page number 50, first one of find. Okay, so we have to do this in copy because there is no place in the book. So this is the first one, very simple. I am going to explain it again. What we do, we simply multiply the number, then we write the product. We count the number of decimal places, like here only one decimal place, here no decimal place, so we will not count. We will only count in the multiplicand. So this is the multiplicand, 1. So in the product also just 1. We always place the decimal from the right side. So in the ones place we go and we put the decimal. So this becomes 10th and this becomes 1. So the answer becomes 10.8. So this completes the first one. Now we will do the second one. Starting with the second one. Leaving the decimals, we will multiply. We can multiply at the side or we can multiply here also. So either you multiply by 12, that is 12 8s are and 12 1s are, or you multiply by 2 separately, then by 1. So 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2 3, 18, so it is 216. Now what is the next step? Count the number of decimal places. So 1 2, you can write with pencil, 1 2. How many decimal places? 1 2. We'll go from the right side and we'll count 1 2. Decimal will come here. Okay, so these two are your decimal places. That means 2.16 is your answer. Now starting with the third one. Again we will simply multiply the numbers. So here you can see these are 2 numbers and these are 3 numbers, and we have already studied the property that we can multiply in any order. So we consider this as the multiplicand and this as the multiplier. So that we'll have to multiply only with 2 numbers. 3 5s will give us 15, 3 3s are 9 10, 3 4s are 12 13. First place cross, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, plus 1 7, 2 4s are 8, 5 0. Now we write the product. This is the product. Now what to do? The next step, count the number of places. So 1 2 3. So here also we will count, but we count from the right side. So 1 2 3. So decimal will come here. So this is the answer, that is 10.005. Now question number 2 of the same try these is to arrange these products in descending order. So we are going to do it now. Here, as you can see, I have written the descending order: 10.8, then 10.005, then 2.6. No problem in comparing 2 and 10s. Okay, it is understood that 2 will be the smallest. But when we compare 10.8 and 10.005, we compare the 10th place here. The 10th place here is 8 and here is 0. Okay, so obviously this is greater. So this is how we will complete the try these.